Let's now go to pathology. Let's discuss internal cold. Internal cold derives either from yang deficiency, in which case it is empty cold, or from a transformation of external cold, in which case it is full cold. Internal cold causes pain of a crampy nature that is alleviated by the consumption of hot drinks or the application of heat. A feeling of cold, the absence of thirst, thin, clear discharges, cold limbs, bright white complexion, white tongue coating, and slow pulse. The clinical manifestations of full and empty cold are very similar as they are the same in nature. The main difference is that full cold is characterized by an acute onset, severe pain, and a tongue and a pulse of the excess type. For example, the tongue has a thick white coating and the pulse is full and tight. In empty cold, the pain is less intense. The tongue is pale with a thin white coating and the pulse is slow, deep, and weak. As we can see in the diagram, how the external cold, the wind cold, and with the direct penetration of the cold to the stomach, intestines, uterus, it becomes internal cold or full. This is the origin of the internal cold. The main clinical manifestations of full cold are feeling cold, cold limbs, the thin, clear discharges, severe pain, aggravation of pain from pressure, aggravation from cold, and alleviation from application of heat, desire for warm drinks, no thirst, bright white complexion, thick white tongue coating, full tight pulse. The main clinical manifestations of empty cold are feeling cold, cold limbs, thin, clear discharges, dull pain, amelioration of pain from pressure, from cold, and alleviation from application of heat, desire for warm drinks, no thirst, dull white complexion, thin white tongue coating, pale tongue body, and slow weak pulse. For the cold, pain of a crampy nature that is alleviated by the consumption of hot drinks and or application of heat, a feeling of cold, the absence of thirst, thin clear discharges, cold limbs, bright white complexion, white tongue coating, and a slow pulse. For treatment, the best treatment for cold is moxa, either in the form of moxa stick or direct moxa cones or moxa box. Thank you for your attention.